Example number 4. Sum the series cos theta plus sin theta by 1 factorial into cos 2 theta plus sin square theta divided by 2 factorial into cos 3 theta plus so on up to infinity. Here we observe that angle of cos theta is only changing, but angle of sin theta remains same. Therefore, this is cosine series. So solution, let capital C is equal to cos theta plus sin theta by 1 factorial into cos 2 theta plus sin square theta divided by 2 factorial into cos 3 theta plus so on up to infinity. Here we have to sum up to infinity. So now consider capital S. This is in cos series. So consider sine series, which is equal to, in place of cos theta you write sin theta plus sin theta as it is, because here theta is not changing, angle of sine is not changing. Therefore S is equal to sin theta plus sin theta by 1 factorial into, in place of cos 2 theta you have to write sin 2 theta plus sin square by theta plus theta divided by 2 factorial into sin 3 theta plus so on. So now consider C plus IS. So therefore cos theta plus I sin theta first term plus here sin theta by 1 factorial constant. Therefore write it as it is into cos 2 theta plus I into sin 2 theta plus so on. Now cos theta plus I sin theta is e power I theta plus sin theta by 1 factorial into this value is e power 2 I theta plus next value is sin square theta. Here sin square theta divided by 2 factorial into e power I 3 theta plus so on up to infinity. Now from this you take out e power I theta common. So we will get e power I theta common in the bracket 1 plus sin theta into e power I theta divided by 1 factorial plus sin square theta into e power I 2 theta divided by 2 factorial and so on. Now in place of sin theta e power I theta you take x, replace this by x. X is equal to e power I theta plus into sin theta. Then x square will be e power I 2 theta into sin square theta divided by, so this is what we get, x square. So therefore this value is equal to e power I theta into 1 plus x by this value, x by 1 factorial plus this value is x square divided by 2 factorial and so on up to n terms. And this value is equal to e power I theta into this value is e power x. This is the infinite series of e power x. So thus we have this e power I theta into e power x, where e power x means 1 plus x divided by 1 factorial plus x square divided by 2 factorial plus so on up to n term. So and this value is equal to e power I theta into, so x what we have taken, so here x means e power I theta into sin theta. E power I theta can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta into sin theta. Therefore this value is equal to e power I theta into e power cos theta plus I sin theta into sin theta. This was e power I theta into sin theta. So this is equal to e power sin theta into cos theta into e power I times theta plus sin square theta. Now this value is equal to e power sin theta into cos theta. This can be written as cos of theta plus sin square theta plus I into sin of theta plus sin square theta. Here we need this sin value, C value. C value. C is the real part. Therefore, here by equating real part on both the side, this is the real part here. So we get this value. C is equal to e power sin theta into cos of theta plus sin square theta.